Wherever you are, I send you my best regards. Live together, the difficult times of the terrible typhoon which hit hard, Shanghai in China. Typhoon Muifa struck the vicinity of China's largest urban area and multiple major shipping ports, making landfall twice. The initial landfall occurred at Zhoushan Island before crossing Hangzhou Bay and ultimately reaching Shanghai. This typhoon stands as the most powerful storm to hit the Yangtze River Delta since Typhoon Damre in 2012. The delta is home to approximately 230 million people. Consequently, operations came to a halt at the significant ports of Ningbo and Shanghai, as well as oil and gas facilities on Zhoushan. Ferry and shipping activities were suspended, fishing boats sought refuge in port, and flights to and from the region faced cancellations. China's Xinhua news agency reported that over 1.3 million individuals were relocated from Zhoushan, in preparation for the storm's arrival. Furthermore, the typhoon made landfall along the coast near the Zhoushan archipelago in the evening. Prior to this, authorities in China's Zhejiang province had issued orders for ships to return to port, closed schools, and evacuated tourists from neighboring islands. The typhoon unleashed powerful winds of nearly 160 kilometers per hour. The gusts persisted for several hours, accompanied by substantial rainfall, creating a heightened risk of disaster. Widespread precipitation ranging from 50 to 200 millimeters is anticipated, with certain localized areas potentially experiencing over 350 millimeters. Waves reaching up to 5 meters are expected in the vicinity of Shanghai, which serves as China's busiest container seaport. Until the next video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel for more daily videos, and I wish you pleasant moments. Goodbye.